In this video, let's see how to manage API settings in Webhooks, including regenerating tokens and updating whitelist entries. Click on Settings in the navigation bar. Select API Settings from the Settings menu. Find your API token under the API Settings section. You can then use this token in tools like Postman, Zapier, or integrate it into your own app to automate tasks and workflows. In the API Settings section, highlight the API token text. In the API Settings section, locate and highlight the dialer token. You copy and use this token to securely connect your dialer with third-party platforms and services. In the API Settings section, click the Regenerate button next to the dialer token if you encounter any errors while trying to establish a connection. In the Webhooks section, click on Call, SMS, and Email to copy the webhook post URL and secret verification key. Use these details for third-party integration. Click on the Add New IP and Domain button. In the modal, click on the IP address field to enter an IP address. In the modal, enter domain name in the field. Click the Submit button in the modal. The whitelist IP and domains have been added successfully. In the API Settings section, click the Edit icon next to the whitelist IP and domain entry. In the modal, click the Close button at the top right corner. In the API Settings section, click the Delete icon next to the whitelist IP and domain entry. In the modal, click the Confirm button again to finalize the deletion. In the modal, click the Cancel button to abort the deletion process. Thank you for choosing Easify.